Hey guys, don't mind how I look right now because I just woke up. But I haven't pranked Trey in the longest time. And I'm making him and my little sister breakfast. So I was like, why not? Alright, sorry about that guys. He actually just walked in the door. Whenever I started filming, he was taking care of the horse outside. And now he came in. I don't know if you hear him sneezing because we're allergic to the horse. But he's in the shower now. I still have to be quiet though. But basically what I'm doing is making my little sister and him breakfast. I have an egg. I don't want to waste all the eggs. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 eggs and my sister has to eat 2. I'm vegetarian now, so I'm not gonna eat eggs. I'll probably just have like coffee or something. But what I'm gonna do is basically make the nastiest egg ever, the nastiest coffee ever. I don't know what else I'm gonna put on the plate. I'm basically just gonna like make him a breakfast plate. My god. It is so hard to prank. I don't know how you guys do it. Like all these YouTube couples, I don't know how you do it. I don't know really like what I'm gonna put on the plate, but I do know I'm gonna put like a fucked up egg, and I think I'm gonna put mustard in it too because he hates mustard. And then just like some weird stuff on the plate and get his reaction. And knowing him, he'll probably say like, oh yeah, it's good, because he's just a gentleman. But it's gonna be disgusting. I'm gonna like over season it, like make it just really nasty. All right, some people crack the egg like with their hand. I'm like, how do you do that? Like, you have to take it and do it like that. Okay. All right guys, I'm cooking his eggs right here. This is the other eggs that I'm gonna cook for them, like after I prank him and for my sister. But y'all, what if I just gave him this? Alright, time to add mustard. And then, where's the mustard? Right here. Time to add this. I really don't know what else. I'm not even gonna shake it. I'm gonna get that wet stuff that comes out on it. Hold on. Alright. Ew. Guys, am I a bad girlfriend for this? Because this is nasty. Come out. Oh my god. He's gonna kill me. I have to like mush in the mustard or else he'll smell it and know. Like cook it a little bit. But it's good that it's like mustard and he don't like it and then it's like yellow, so it's just only if he smells it. Now I have to season it. You guys see all this salt? And now you don't. Oh my god, that's disgusting. Right, so that's what I have on the plate so far. It doesn't look as nasty as I wanted it to, but I don't know what else to put on it. I'm trying to look. I could put like a cookie? No. Let me look in the fridge. I don't know what to put on it. I can put like, I don't want to make it too obvious though. I can put like a tomato. He's gonna be like, what the fuck, Kayla? Oh my god. Oh my god. What else? Dang, clothes. What else should I put on the plates? I wish I was like going live right now so you guys could like help me out. Cause I don't freaking know. I'm gonna be like, you should start eating healthy. It's not even cooked broccoli. I don't know who the hell eats. Oh my god, guys. There's no way. I don't even think he's gonna try to eat it. But that would be so funny. I'm a little stuffy right now. And I want to put something like, oh, the burner's still on. And I forgot about these eggs. Let me put them aside real quick. Guys, should I just put like the eggshell right here? I can't. I'm gonna throw these away. Goldfish. I'm gonna get some goldfish. Alright, I want to put like one more thing, but I don't know what I should do. Give me a second. Put the mustard on. I knew the camera was zoomed in. I was trying to fix that. I was like, what the heck is wrong with the camera? All right, I think I'm just gonna put like a cracker or something. I don't freaking know what else to put on it. I should have planned it better. But this is what his plate is looking like, y'all. And I am gonna go set the camera up in my room. Or should I set it up out here? I don't know. He usually eats breakfast in my room. But I don't know. I think I'm gonna set it up out here. He's gonna be like, what the freak? Hold on. He's getting out of the shower. Where do I? No, it's on the table.
It's not bothered.
But it is yours.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. What?
Open
I made that for you. Trey, really?
What is it?
That's breakfast.
I'm good.
Trey, eat it.
Oh, man.
Are you serious? Trey, eat it.
Yeah, today.
Can you at least try it? So you don't like my cooking?
No. I mean, yeah.
You're sitting on his computer. Oh. Trey, eat it.
No, I'm good.
Really?
Yeah.
Come here.
I gotta do something.
Can you at least try it?
No.
Doesn't it look good? I'll eat it. Trey.
Okay.
I got you, like, eggs,
What the?
goldfish, the cracker that I got from the store, and then broccoli and tomato to eat healthy. Can you at least try it?
I don't want it.
What are you gonna eat?
A honey bun or something.
Can you at least try it, please?
Oh, that's good.
Please?
No.
Trey!
Today.
It literally took me like 20 minutes to make this.
Not like 2 minutes.
Can you just try it?
I don't want it.
Can you just try it? You're disrespecting my cooking right now.
Right.
You are.
Just eat it.
Come here, Trey, and try it.
I don't want it.
Yes.
No.
Trey, come here. I made this for you. Stop being rude. What's wrong with it? If you don't come eat this food, I made you.
It's annoying, bro. Move.
Here is your actual food. Here.
Let me put it right there. Thank you.
You're welcome. Well, that was a fail. Probably gonna quit YouTube after this. Alright, so Trey's clearly not gonna eat it, but he will. So, there you go, bud. I wonder if he'll even like it. I'm giving him the food you should have ate.
I don't know if you want to go.
Hey! Hey! What the hell just happened?
They're about to fight.
I think Princess tried to get the food. Damn, it was that good. I put mustard in the eggs too. That's why I wanted you to try it.
I was about to eat the eggs.
Really?
Yeah. I touched it.
No, I put mustard in his eggs, not yours.
I know, and I'm going to eat it.
His?
Yeah, because he wasn't going to eat it.
Wow. Prin. Y'all, this is what we have to deal with. Y'all see
This
that?
ugly rat.
What is she doing? If you guys know anything about dogs,
She has allergies.
Prin.
Oh my god.
Wow. Just wow. Alright guys, well I look terrible because my allergies are kicking in and I look terrible in the beginning of this video anyway. But I am about to make us coffee. This video was kind of a fail, but I do need some more content to post. So yeah, you guys, please DM me on Instagram or comment video ideas on here because I am running out of ideas. I really don't know, like this video absolutely sucked. But now that I am monetized by YouTube, I'm trying to post at least like twice a week, maybe every like Monday and Friday. Just like space it out a little bit. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and like, comment, subscribe.